Hey, this is Kevin at Woodcraft, and today I'm here with the new Laguna Revo 1216 lathe. I'm very excited to have it in the shop, and today I'm going to show you all the awesome features it has to offer. Let's start off at the headstock. It's got big, easy to press on and off switches here with a forward and reverse switch, a fine speed adjustment knob here. You got a spindle lock and a 24 position indexing pin on this side. Changing speeds on the 1 horsepower motor is super easy. Just undo the release lever. You've got your low speed range on this side, 50 to 525 RPM. You got your 325 to 1750 RPM. And then you've got your high speed range. Over here at 650 to 3500 RPM. To show how smooth this is, I've got an aluminum washer. It's about half the weight of a nickel we're gonna set here, and we're gonna turn the lathe up to full speed. And that's not moving at all. It's also super quiet. Working our way down, we've got a 1'8" spindle supported by 2 industrial grade bearings, and a number 2 Morse taper. A smooth, easy to use banjo with a heavy duty tool rest supported by a 1" post. Your tailstock is movable to give you a maximum turning capacity of 16 inches with 2 inches of quill travel. The lathe comes with a 3" faceplate, a drive center, a knockout bar, and a live center. Ours is outfitted with a couple accessories, including the light, the outboard turning extension, and the stand with tool storage rack. To check out one of these for yourself, head over to your local Woodcraft store or online to woodcraft.com.